Hello, my name is Jemmy, and today I am going to be giving you a brief overview on Streamlit, and I'll just which is a launcher for web apps on Python. However, I am not going to be launching web apps. I'm going to only be testing it, and I'll just show you the code and what it does. And yeah, so first of all, we have our import Streamlit as st, which just imports Streamlit, and then our title as you can see, st title. This is the title is this one. St header is a smaller version of the title, and then with every header there comes a subheader, and there's the subheader, and then there's a text which is down here. If you want to make your text bigger, then you do markdown, which is slightly bigger. Um, and as you can see, these are different colors of warning. So this one is called success. This one is info. This one is warning, and this one's an error. So each of them had different colors. And then the last one is this is correct. It's supposed to be like this. It is called an exception. Um, in here, built-in range, blah blah blah. This is help. So this basically, instead of having to go look at the document, we can just do it in here. st.help range, and it'll just show up about range, what it can do, like so. And then we can just there's other things. This is called write, as you can see right here, text with write, and then this one's also by write, st write range 10. So as you can see, it'll just display range 0 to 10. And as you can see, this is a cute little dog in a garden. This is a photo, and there's a caption called "Dog in Garden," and this is a video on Bun Bun, which is my cat that bounces around on the screen in space with the Star Spangled Banner playing in the background. You can see it if you want. Yeah, and it's just looping again for 2 minutes, like so. And yeah, that's it. And this is a sound effect, which is, I think it's a ding. Yeah, it's a ding, or like a correct or something, that I use for my Construct 2 video for my animal drag thingy. And yeah, that is sound effects, video, and how to display sound effects, videos, and images. Now let's move on to this is called a checkbox. So if you check it, it will come up. Uh, 1 second, it's still running. Showing or hiding widgets, and then if you check, if you uncheck it, it will just um, it will delete or not delete, make the text invisible. And what is your status? If you do inactive, then it will go inactive, activate. If you do active, then it will go. This is a radio button, by the way. It will go you are active, and then your occupation programmer, data scientist. You can select it, and then it will show up. You select this option, and then it will come up what you selected, programmer or something, and then where do you work. This is a multi-selection tool. You can like select multiple of them. So Thailand, London, or something, and then it will show up the amount you have selected. You have selected 2 locations. If you delete London, then it'll go. You have selected 1 location, and this one is a slide bar. It is where is it? It's slide bar slider. What is your level? Then you can select from 1 to 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, like so. You could drag it around. And here's a simple button. It does nothing. You can click it and it does nothing. About is a button, but it has like a function. If you click about, it'll pop up Streamlit is cool. Here is a text area. You can type something in it. And then it will, once you click submit, it will go and then type it out. So let's just do Jamie is me or something, and then submit, and then it will pop up in the success form that I showed earlier, and it will go Jamie is me. And then today is we can select the date, but however we can leave it as what it is. So today is June 20th, 2021, and yeah, that is the date function. And then the next one is the time. So this one we can display the time. Right now it's around 11:34. So I couldn't select 11:34, but however there was 11:45, which was pretty close. So yeah, that is the time function. And the next one is display JSON. You can like copy to clipboard and then you can paste it. So like name Jemmy, so I'll copy that. I'll go into a new tab and I'll show you. Control V. As you can see, Jemmy is printed out, like so. And if you want to copy the whole thing, then you can go in here and paste, like so. And after this, you can display raw code, uh, like Stack Overflow. When they have code, they put it kind of like in this format. You can just click Control C, and then just use it in your code like so. Paste it. Um, and let's move to the next one. This one is import pandas as PD. It will just show a code. It will show code like so. And yeah, that is it. These are just like this one finished over here. Let's pay attention to this one, right? Let's go down. So here, waiting. It waits 5 seconds, then it goes finished, like so. And yeah, that's it. Basically, that's it for my Streamlit testing for you. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Bye bye.